Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make whipped cream by milk. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of very cold whole milk, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure your milk is as cold as possible, ideally straight from the refrigerator. Chilling your bowl and whisk beforehand will also significantly help achieve the best results. This simple preparation sets you up for success. Before you begin mixing, it's crucial to chill your equipment. Place a metal mixing bowl and your whisk or beaters in the freezer for at least 15 minutes. This cold environment is key to helping the milk thicken properly. A deep bowl is also recommended to contain any splashes as you start whipping. Some people even place their mixing bowl over an ice bath for extra chill, which can be very effective. Now for the fun part. Take your chilled bowl and whisk from the freezer. Pour the 1 cup of very cold whole milk into the bowl. Add the 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Begin whipping on high speed with an electric mixer. Continue mixing until the milk thickens and soft peaks form. This typically takes about 5 to 8 minutes, so be patient and watch for the right consistency. Once your whipped cream forms soft, fluffy peaks, it's ready. Be careful not to overwhip, as this can turn your beautiful cream into a grainy, curdled mess. The moment it holds its shape, stop mixing. Your homemade whipped cream is now perfect for topping desserts, fruits, or hot beverages. For the freshest taste, serve it right away. Any remaining whipped cream can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.